This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. Great opportunity to enjoy the best that Virginia Beach has to offer in beaches, restaurants, nature trails and schools. Fun, conveniently located home in energetic community. Easy floor plan for everyday living, entertaining, or using as a vacation home. Gorgeous kitchen with large center island and granite countertops. Ample parking and storage. Move-in ready. New carpet and paint. Current lease through July 31, 2020. For more information, review the details below.